Let the function be this fx that equals to x square minus 1 when x belongs to minus 1 to 0, 0 to x 1 the function be 2x, at x equals to 1 this 1, and x belongs to 1 to 2 this minus 2x plus 4, and 2 to 3 this 0, and the graph of the function be this. For 0 to 1 this y equals to 2x, when x belongs to 2 to 3 this 0, 2 open and 3 open, and the function be minus 2x plus 4, 1 to 2 open this, and this minus 1 to 0 the function be y equals to x square minus 1. This is the graph of the function. Now first question is, does f of minus 1 exist? What is the f of minus 1? This point f of minus 1. Okay, so f of minus 1 be that equals point, so this minus 1, so f of minus 1 that equals to minus 1 that is square minus 1 that equals to 0, that is y equals to 0, this point. So f of minus 1 exists. Second question be, does limit extends to minus 1 plus fx exist? This minus 1 and minus 1 plus, this is nothing but this minus 1 plus delta, so this tends to this, so minus 1 delta be this. So limit x tends to minus 1 plus fx equals to limit x tends to minus 1 plus, so this limit the function be x square minus 1, so this x square minus 1, so that equals to minus 1 that is square minus 1, so this equals to 0. Therefore yes, the limit exists. Does limit x tends to minus 1 plus fx equals to f of minus 1? Yes, because f of minus 1 0 and limit x tends to minus 1 plus 1 0, so this yes. Since f of minus 1 0 and limit at the point x tends to minus 1 plus fx 0, so this is true. Fourth question be, is f is continuous at x equals to minus 1? Yes, at the point x equals to minus continuous, because limit x tends to minus 1 plus fx that equals to f of minus 1, because the function is defined the right side of minus 1, so only right limit exists, because at minus 1 only one-sided limit needed. Therefore the function is continuous. Yes, the answer is yes. Next question be, does f1 exist? This is the one at the point x equals to 1, this one, and this point yes, f of 1 that equals to 1, so f of 1 exists and f1 value is 1. Does limit x tends to 1 fx exist? In this figure, this 1 plus delta and this 1 minus delta, so 1 plus delta to 1, this is function y equals to minus 2x plus 4, and 1 minus delta to 1 for this is y equals to 2x. So from this side and this side, what can we say? We say that limit x tends to 1 minus fx that equals to limit x tends to 1 minus 2x that equals to 2 from this side, and from this 1 plus delta to 1, this minus 2x plus 4, so limit x tends to 1 plus fx that equals to limit x tends to 1 plus minus 2x plus 4, so that equals to 2. Therefore limit x tends to 1 fx exists, because limit x tends to 1 minus fx and limit x tends to 1 plus fx both equal, therefore limit x tends to 1 plus fx exist. Next question be, does fx is continuous at x equals to 1? In this case, limit x tends to 1 fx and limit x tends to 1 plus fx both exist and equal, so limit exists. but f of 1 that equals to 1. Therefore limit x tends to 1 plus fx that equals to limit x tends to 1 minus fx not equals to f of 1. From this figure we say that from 1 minus delta to 1 this value 2, and from 1 plus delta to 1 this value also 2, but at the point 1 this 1. So this is the point of discontinuity, and this type of discontinuity is called removal discontinuity. Clear? Next, from this figure we say that at the point 2 is also a point of discontinuity. Why? Add 2 plus this function be 0, so add 2 plus this 0, and at the point 2 the function does not exist. So from figure we say that at the point 2 the function also discontinuous. At the point 0 also the point of discontinuity. Why? At the point 0 the function is not defined. Also if x tends to 0 minus this is the function, so minus 1, and from the 0 plus this function, so 0, so 0 is also a point of discontinuity. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel and comment below. Thank you.